lica, priklonite kiseoničku masku na nožicu usta, pričvrstite elastičnu traku oko glave, težite bojas i dišite normalno. Masku prvo namestite sebi, a tek onda drugima.
Greetings from Tirana, capital of Albania. Just landed here today from Belgrade. First impressions, this city is pretty rash in its driving. In Belgrade and Novi Sad, entire Serbia, cars used to stop the moment you cross the road. But over here, they're just waiting to run you down. Albania is located at the very fag end of the Balkans, the extreme south, at the Adriatic and the Mediterranean coast. First impressions, it has a lot of Italian influence. There are pizza shops, there are the Italy flag, there are shops where literally has the Italian insignias. People speak Italian as a second language, not Russian. There's no use of Russian here. Albanian then Italian. And a whooping 80% of the cars over here are Mercedes. There's Mercedes, 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 Mercedes. Mercedes, 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 another Mercedes. 80% of all cars in Albania are Mercedes. The reason is people are somehow in love with the brand. They buy the Mercedes in Europe and they all drive them here. More Mercedes. The Škodas of Serbia, the Fiat and the Peugeots have all gone, replaced by Mercedes. There's also a very strongman culture here. There is the Albanian mafia, and there are pretty lot of powerful men who love to travel in huge, burly Mercedes SUVs. So that's why maybe there are so many Mercedes. I'm here to meet few of my friends whom I met at the flight, and we are going to Toptani Square, which is the main square here. Met up with my friends. Here is Tanmay, traveling thrills.
Hi guys.
And okay, मोहतरमा अपने आप को दिखाना नहीं चाहती. So हम लोग क्या ढूंढ रहे हैं तन्मय अभी
फिलहाल सबको भूख लगा है. हम सारे साथ में बेलग्रेड से आए हैं. अभी खाने के लिए कुछ अच्छा लोकल रेस्टोरेंट ढूंढ रहा हूँ.
Okay.
राइस जैसा खाना है क्योंकि फास्ट फूड खा के थक चुका हूँ.
हमारे फ्रेंड को
सही खाना
पड़ेगा राइट. और हमारे फ्रेंड को दाल चावल खाने का मन है. और वो मिलेगा क्या अभी यहाँ पे इंडियन रेस्टोरेंट?
नहीं मिलेगा, बट हमें यहाँ से ऑलमोस्ट 30 मिनट चल के जाना पड़ेगा. और नहीं तो 10 मिनट बाद मिलेगा.
भाई मैं ठीक हूँ, मुझे कुछ भी चलेगा. भूख लगी है, ले चलो. आप यहाँ पे ट्रैवलिंग थ्रिल्स यहाँ पे 2.5 महीने रह चुका है. He has stayed here for 2.5 months. He knows इनको चप्पा चप्पा मालूम है तिराना का. So the perfect guy to hang out with in Tirana.
Do you have any local cuisine with the rice?
एक बात बता दूँ, Albania is the name of the country, but in local Albanian language they call it Shqiptar. That's like जैसे हमारा इंडिया में भारत. So Albania is called Shqiptar. That's a trivia for you. हम लोग कहाँ पहुँचे? फिर से हम ढूंढ रहे हैं कोई तो एक अलीबाबा रेस्टोरेंट, but that restaurant is literally untraceable. My guess is, and Tanmay's guess is also, it's closed. But there are so many cafes over here. We can just easily. There's one Turkish restaurant, Sofra Turke. That's a Turkish restaurant behind me. This street is lined with restaurants, cafes, you know, convenience stores, mobile recharge stores, you name it. All this is pretty walkable. It's around 1.5 kilometers from my hostel where I met up with my friends. Sitting in Alibaba restaurant, having doner kebab, and my friend Tanmay traveling, who is busy. हम लोग सब
traveling with busy.
Traveling thrills. Tanmay is busy. We are both having the chicken doner kebab. This is a Turkish themed restaurant, and we are having doner kebab. It's called Alibaba, and she's the cook. What's your name?
My name is Aisha.
Aisha.
My father is from Iraq.
Father's from Iraq.
Yes,
Okay.
and we have 27 years here.
27 years Alibaba.
Yeah. But
Okay.
in this
was
street
earlier
is,
there?
in this street is first year.
Okay.
But
Okay.
it was earlier that,
Yes, in Muslim street.
that's closed.
Oh, that's closed. That's closed. Okay.
Actually, we come there and we didn't find it.
And Shikha is having, what are you having? The veg shawarma, right?
मतलब जितना भी था वेजिटेबल सब मिला
सब वेजिटेबल मिला दे। शिका
ऑप्शन है नहीं।
शिका के पास कोई ऑप्शन नहीं है, तो शिका ने सारे घास फूस फूस के एक वेज शॉर्मा बना लिया है, बीस्पोक शॉर्मा। तो चलो हम लोग खाते हैं, देखते हैं कैसा है।
और €5 एक्स्ट्रा पड़ेगा।
Wow.
लोकल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन
It's good. Very oily, but good. अच्छा, वहाँ पर भी एक ब्लू आई है क्या?
कहाँ पे?
स्कूटर में?
वही तो नहीं था।
ये शामिल में भी एक ब्लू आई है।
समीर में नहीं है, वो सराउंड के पास में 28 किलोमीटर।
Say it is very spicy as well. So if you're in around Skanderberg Square, want to eat something Middle Eastern, check out Alibaba.
अलीबाबा 2, नॉट अलीबाबा। अगर गूगल में सर्च कर रहे हो ना, तो सर्च करना अलीबाबा 2। पहले इनका जो लोकेशन था आगे दूसरा गली में था, यहाँ से 7-8 मिनट का वॉकिंग है। अब उन्होंने वहाँ से शिफ्ट करके मेन स्क्वायर के पास में आ गए। तो मेक श्योर आप सही जगह पे आए।
We had our high dinner come snacks. अभी ये लोग जा रहे हैं एक टूरिस्ट एजेंसी के पास. They're going on a national park tour tomorrow. What is the place called? Steth National Park.
Yeah, we are going for a hike and it will be like 2 days and 1 night.
Okay.
And it is the best place to hike in Albania.
Is it near Lake Skoder?
Yes, it is.
Okay.
Little bit far away from there, but it is.
ये लोग जा रहे हैं नेशनल पार्क, लेकिन मैं यहाँ पे लोकल तिराना साइट सीइंग करूँगा. मिलते हैं कल. Okay guys, आप लोग का बंद हो रहा है दुकान. See you in few days. Bye.
See you.
Bye. चलो. And there they went. आज के लिए बस इतना ही. मिलते हैं कल एक नए दिन के साथ टिराना साइट सीइंग में. Mercedes. Oh, more Mercedes.